Hey, it's Mike and Patty here. We are outside of Hoppin in the west end of Greenville, and we are getting ready to go inside. So as we go inside, hit that subscribe button, hit that like, because YouTube loves those likes, and we'll see you on the inside. Say hi, Patty.
Hey there, can't wait to go check this place out.
Very unique, and we'll tell you why. Bye.
We're at Hoppin and we're inside tasting the different beers. This is just the first floor, and you can see Mike over here checking out the beers. And then if you go around this way, they have some more on tap plus wines. You can go around the corner and there's another selection, and supposedly up on the rooftop, but we haven't been up there yet. So we'll let you know. Oh, here's Mikey.
They have what they call a gin jitterbug, and this is actually fermented in gin barrels, kind of like your bourbon barrel, aged barrels. This is gin, and this is the first taste was kind of wicked, and some of the stuff you got to take several different tastes to really get the palate, get the flavor and all. There's so many times I've rated beers really bad, and after 2, 3, 4, 5 tastes, I know what people are saying, that yeah, the more you drink, the more you're gonna like it. Well, you just have to get rid of whatever has been in your mouth before. But look at this, a gin barrel aged beer. This is really unique. I have never had a gin barrel aged beer before. Pretty good. Hey, so we're inside of Hoppin, and this is a really, really cool place. It's actually way bigger than it actually seems. There's an upstairs that we're going to be going to, and I'm going to show you a little bit upstairs. But this is what's so unique about this. We're on the west end of Greenville, and I love this place, and I definitely would come back. They have such a variety of beers. So can you come over here? Come in here. So this is a self pour. This is a self pour. So back up just a little bit. A self pour. So this is a blueberry lemonade hard cider. So what you can do is you can literally touch that, and it gives you a description of the cider or the beer or whatever it is that you want to drink. And there's 2 taps controlled by this one little window here. So the other side is gotta get up to down, gotta get up to get down. It's hard to say that if you've been drinking a little bit. It is a stout, but it is a coffee stout. It is a really, really good coffee beer. This is what's so unique about this place. You wear one of these little wristbands, okay? You wear one of these little wristbands. And the cool thing is, the way this works is if you want either one of these beers, come down here and show the taps. So this is the tap to the blueberry lemonade. This is the tap to the gotta get up to get down. So what I'm gonna do is I put this thing where it says tap, and here comes my name and how much I've spent so far. And then I've got so much time, but the time ran out. So we're gonna do it again. So I put this up, my name comes up, and I'm gonna pour. So I'm up to 1023. I poured 1.6 ounces. So this is the beer that I just poured. It's a really strong coffee beer, but it's a milk stout as well. I haven't had many milk stout beers or coffee beers anyway, and it's really good. So this is what's so unique about this. So you pay by the ounce. So when I go to check out, they're gonna give me a receipt, and every pour that I make will be actually on that receipt, so I can see exactly what I poured, how many times I poured it. And it's just a really cool way of, I typically pour 1 to 2 ounces of all the beers just so that I can get a nice variety. So Patty's kind of showing you the different types of beers just in this one little area here. They have 60 beers on tap. Probably the only complaint or the only thing that I would say that I don't like about this is that I wish that they were separated by ales, porters, stouts, sours, seltzers, that type of thing. That's the only thing. But other than that,
But
hey,
he did say they didn't do that, so you'd wander around and see all the different variety of beers.
That is true. The manager that we talked to said that the reason why they do that is to make you wander around and look at what's on here and force you to try the different beers and so forth. So we're going to head to the upstairs, and I'll see you upstairs. Dilly dilly. Say hi, Patty.
Hey, Patty.
Hey, so we are up on the rooftop, or what they say is the rooftop, and you can see they got more beer up here. They have some TV screens, and they've got, this is, I mean, a really cool place. Look, they got a grassy little area. If we had some golf clubs and all, we could actually practice our pitching and chipping. So if you walk out to the edge here, you have Highway 123, which takes you right into where I live at easily, out into that area. So so yeah, this is a really cool area, and this is, like I said, we're up on the rooftop, and we're drinking more beer. This place is huge. I mean, it is really cool. I can't imagine this. We typically come when it's not busy to do these videos and all, but look at all this. So you got all these wine and beer videos. So until next time, dilly dilly. Okay, so we're wrapping things up at the Hoppin, and I'm gonna tell you something. I really love this place.
I can tell.
You pay by the ounce.
I hate to see your bill.
The bill's not that bad, really, but we pay by the ounce. It's got 2 floors here. There's beer like everywhere. It is just really cool. So let me ask you this. So what beers or seltzers stuck out to you? What I know you weren't really in a beer drinking mood today. So what really kind of stuck out to you?
The first thing I saw was that peanut butter jelly by what is it?
Edmund's Oast.
Yeah.
That was so, oh my
God.
God.
It was really good.
That was like a liquidated peanut butter and jelly sandwich. That was so good.
Right next to it was that lemon meringue.
Yes.
Which tasted like lemon meringue pie.
Oh, I absolutely agree. That was so good.
Just go home and make a lemon meringue pie. Yeah, right. And then I guess the thing that I really liked was the ciders. The black lemonade cider downstairs was just awesome. I had never had that before, so I really enjoyed that. And then up here they have peach, which is probably my favorite type of cider. So I'm drinking some peach cider right now to finish out our little trip here. But it is beautiful up here on this rooftop. You can look out and see the mountains and just see, I guess you could call the skyline of Greenville. Very peaceful feeling out here.
I can't imagine this place when it's really crowded.
I was wondering about that too.
I can't imagine that. But for me, she named several of the beers. The peanut butter and jelly, oh my God, that was so good. The lemon meringue, so good. They had a Hefeweizen beer. I think it was called the Baker General. That was so good. I love Hefeweizen beers. I'm actually drinking a, I think it's called cereal for dinner.
Cereal for breakfast, isn't it?
Cereal for dinner, cereal for breakfast. It is so.
Oast
That is
too,
also an Edmund's Oast, and I hate to say this, but I'm not a big Edmund's Oast fan, which we will be doing probably. We'll be featuring them at some point because we're going to go to Charleston. We're going to Charleston. They're in Charleston, South Carolina, but I really like. They have got several beers here that I really like. But between sours, between stouts, between porters, seltzers. I'm not even a big seltzers fan. I don't like seltzers, but the seltzers that they had here were extremely good. So yeah, so this has been a really, really cool place to come. Love to come here when it's a little more crowded. Like I said, we do these videos when it's not that crowded, so we don't get all that much attention. But anyway.
Well, and I wanted to say two things. Urban Wren is next door, which is a winery. So if you're not really into the beer, you could go there.
But they also have
wine here.
And
then there's
on tap. So
pizza
yeah.
place here too, and you can go over there and order pizza, and they'll bring it over to you here. So pretty cool.
Pretty cool. So if you haven't already, we want you to subscribe. We're trying to hit at least 50 subscribers this month, and like I said, YouTube likes those likes, so please, please, please give us a like, and we will see you next time when we go to our next brew house or tap house or brewery. Love you, mean it. Bye.
Bye-bye.